Hey guys, Johnny Nerd out here. Today I want to talk about installation issues that you may be having with your Bafang motor or maybe any other motor. The problem is when you go to try to put the motor into your bottom bracket, it stops. It like hits inside your bottom bracket here. And you may be looking, like it's clear everywhere and it's not hitting the motor anywhere and there's nothing inside. Why is it hitting in there? That's because this is not a perfect cylinder sometimes. It's very rare. Probably 85% of the time your bike is going to be fine, but about 15, maybe 10% of the time it's going to be kind of like an hourglass shape. Where it's fat on the outsides and it kind of bends in just a little tiny bit, maybe a millimeter, maybe even a half a millimeter. And it's just enough, it's metal that's in there that your motor won't be able to go in all the way. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to grind that out, just that little middle part. The threads, you don't have to mess with the threads, so it's not gonna mess up if you ever want to, convert it back, you're gonna be fine. You just need to drill out that middle part. And there's two ways to do it. One is you could get a Dremel tool, go in there and just get it all the way done. In my experience, it's very tedious. It takes a long time. I've done it where, depending on your bit that you have, it could take an hour. Literally, if you don't have the right bit or the right tool, it can take a very long time. I found a shortcut that takes about 1 minute, maybe, and that is getting a metal hole saw bit. 33 millimeter is what I use. You get them on Amazon for about 15 bucks. It makes your life way easier. And if it's just small enough where it'll fit in there all the way. Like this is one that actually doesn't need it, so this will fit in all the way. But if this one had that problem, I would not be able to get in here. And I would have to just get in there and maybe just do a slight circling. You want to be careful because you don't have a lot of material here. So you don't want to just go in and bore through it because then you're going to thin out that material. But all you're doing is just thinning out the thick part of the material, if that makes sense. So if you get a 33, this will get in there no problem. Just do a little tiny bit at a time. Like I said, you don't want to, go in at an angle and come out the other side. So just be calm with it, be careful, and also get a drill that, be careful with that because if that catches, it will flex and you could hurt yourself. So you want to use two hands with it, maybe even get a partner, use the buddy system, but that's definitely how I do it. It is a little bit risky, a little bit dangerous. Always use eyeglasses, or you could do the Dremel tool. And you may get lucky and the Dremel tool may only take you a little bit. All right, hopefully that helps you guys.